Here's a small parcel of low-grade offcuts of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted. White that you can see there, like that's light reflecting. I'll just go in a bit closer so you can see. Okay, these are just offcuts, random offcuts, like that piece I'll throw out. It's not worth keeping. Some of these have got little pieces of colour on them. Probably a few that I pick up. Like I say, these have been randomly picked up out of a large bucket of offcuts that's got not much in it. Bit of face there. Seam going through there. Could follow that down. Again. There's a lot of pieces that aren't very useful in here. A few other pieces good to practice on. I'm going to throw that piece out too. That piece isn't worth keeping. I've literally just scooped these out of a bucket. It's an interesting little pattern. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.